Hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I've got another product for you, and it's actually this big guy on my desk. And you know what it's called? It's called the PHUNAYA. Don't know if that's safe to say out loud, but okay, whatever. So, you know, if you have that area or that issue where you can't really store your bike, you can't lean it against the wall, you can't do anything like that, but you want to go ahead and lock it up someplace and kind of get it in a smaller footprint and out of the way, this might be the guy for you. While we're talking about that, let me get right down to it. Well, so we got ourselves a nice little wrench. We got ourselves a nice little bike stand instructions. Looks fairly straightforward. You got a vertical mount, you've got a platform supporter mount, and then you've got a horizontal section. So tire will fit in here, frame of the seat post as you can see before, and I think like the back tire will roll up in there. Nice. Didn't necessarily mean to do that. There we go. Now, parts. Allen wrench. Couple, yeah, you got looks like this thing can be put together with 3 bolts. Let's see how that goes. I mean, it's not like you're expecting a whole lot. It's basically, its job is to basically handle a bike and kind of hold on to it. Okay, yeah, there's the trough that the tire will fit in. Yeah, you're not gonna bend that. Looks like where those 3 bolts go through. And it's E-coated metal, black metal, very nice looking. This is the piece that wraps around your bike frame and your front tire to keep it from falling off in one direction or the other. Now then we have this. This is the platform section, the stabilizer basically. It sits on the ground and keeps from twisting in any direction. There are 3 holes. These 3 will fit into to probably something like this. That's exactly what it looks like. It'll fit like that. Cool. And then we have 2 more pieces. Now here's something I like. It's got this felt pad. This goes on the ground. It's upside down right now. But I like this felt pad. Keeps it from basically, gets a little friction and keeps it from moving. Okay, this section here with this felt pad just gives you a little friction to keep it on the ground. You got your 3 holes, so that's basically where all your 3 bolts go. And then you got this yoke section where your seat post will sit. So you have this adjustment that will go into, so it will go in here. And then, of course, based on your bike type, size, and whatnot, you will use this to adjust. All right. And it's only, so it is only that way. Cool. All right. There's only one final option to do, guys, and that's to put this together. Okay, after a good little bike ride, go ahead and bring it back here and check this out. This is the easy part. One hand, just pivot around the wheel, get that in the cradle there. She's locked in. Now you're thinking, this wheel is gonna spin off and it's gonna drop and it's gonna get in your way. They got an answer for that too, right here. So all you gotta do is very quickly take this here, feed it through, give it a little tension, not too much, and guess what? She's stuck there, she's staying there. Perfect space, vertical space, a little bit taller, right? But you don't have this long space it's taking up, you know, and you're really just good to go. And you know what? Speaking of good to go, I hope this was helpful for you. I appreciate your time, and you know what? I'm out.